Learning something new is fun. So hello guys, let's continue again. So let's understand lambda functions in Python. Lambda functions are basically the anonymous functions in Python, which means that they don't have a name. A function without name is basically called a lambda function. We know that to make a normal function in Python, we have to use the def keyword. It can take arguments and can return the output. It can be multi-lined. Similarly, we have to use the lambda keyword for making an anonymous function in Python, a function without name, but it is restricted to only one line and it will automatically return the output. Lambda functions can also be referred as unnamed function or functions without name because they don't have a name. Now let's understand the syntax for writing a lambda function. So for making a lambda function, we just have to write the keyword lambda, and after that we have to provide the arguments that it is going to take, and we have to put a colon, and after that we have to write the expression or the thing that it is going to perform. Lambda functions can have any number of arguments, but they are restricted to single line, which means that it can have only one expression, and if we try to define multi-line expressions, then we will receive an error. The expression is evaluated and the output will be returned automatically. We don't need to use the return keyword here. We are free to use lambda functions whenever a function object is required. In Python, there are many functions which take other functions as their argument, but if we don't want to define a function, we can directly use lambdas there. So now let's go for a hands-on practical. Let's start the Python REPL by giving the command python. So here I am just making a normal function, and for that we have to use the def keyword. It will be taking two arguments, which is a and b, and it will be returning the sum of a and b. So to return the sum, I just have to use the return keyword here. Now to call this function, I have to write the name of the function and I have to provide the arguments, and as soon as I execute it, it will return the sum. Now if I provide my arguments as 1 and 5, it should return 6. So now let's try to make a lambda function, but before that we have to make a variable to store our lambda function because they are anonymous function or unnamed functions. So now let's make a lambda function to add two numbers. So first of all we have to write the lambda keyword, and after that we have to write the arguments. So we are adding two numbers, so we need two arguments, which is a and b. The arguments should be separated by a comma, so I have written a comma b. After that we have to provide a colon. Then we just have to write the expression or the thing which it is going to perform. So here it is going to perform a very simple task of adding both the numbers. So for adding I have to write a plus b. To call this function, I have to write the name of the variable in which we have stored the function, and it shows a function lambda at this memory address. So here we have not actually called the function, it is just showing the location of the function because we haven't given the parenthesis. We know that to call any function in Python, we have to provide the parenthesis. So when I write lam add and provide parenthesis, then it will actually call the function, but I have to provide the arguments. If I don't do that, I will receive an error. So here lam add was nothing but the variable in which we have stored our lambda function. When I execute it, the arguments will be sent to the lambda function, where lambda function will add them and return the sum. So as expected, the output is 3. So with this we have made our first lambda function, and lambda functions are actually a part of functional programming and they are very easy to make and use. We can also directly print a lambda function. For just we have to call the print function, and we have to call our lambda function again in the way that we have called it previously. Now let's make a lambda function, but this time we are not going to store it in a variable and we are just going to directly define it. For that I have to write lambda, and after that I have to provide the arguments, and then I have to put a colon and I have to write the expression. So I'm going to make this function to actually perform the square of the given argument. So for that we just have to multiply the argument by itself. So when I execute it, it will actually show a function lambda is stored at this location, but I cannot call it because it is a lambda function. It does not have any name, it is anonymous. So how can I call it? So for calling it in the same line, I have to wrap the whole statement in parentheses. After that, in the same line I have to make new pair of parentheses, and inside that I have to provide the arguments. So it will look something like this. So when I execute it, it will return 1 because 1 square is 1. So now let's provide 2 as the argument. The square should be 4. If I provide 6 as the argument, the square should be 36. So with this we have understood lambda functions in Python. It is actually a very important concept of Python, and if you have any doubts, then do comment and let me know. So that's all for today. My new video will be uploaded soon. Thank you.